Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am with a new topic, that is trigonometry. What does it mean? It came from the Greek word. Here tri is nothing but three, gon is nothing but sides, and metron is nothing but measure. So in short, it is the study of relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle. Now let me draw the triangle. So as you can see here, I have drawn a triangle. So I have given the name as A, B and C. Here you can see I have drawn an angle which is called angle A. So if suppose I am standing here, the side opposite to me will be B and C, and it is also a perpendicular. Side opposite to angle A is angle B and C. Here the side adjacent to angle A, adjacent here is nothing but which is nearby. Okay. So here the adjacent side to the angle A is angle A and B. Okay. Now let us see some basic formula, and before that you have to remember this short trick to remember the formulas easily. Here PBP by HHB. So don't worry, I'll be explaining you in the detail. So please do watch and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So let us see the first one, sine theta. Here sine theta is nothing but, let us take the first one, P upon H. P upon H. What does it mean? A P upon H is nothing but perpendicular and hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. A perpendicular is nothing but the side opposite to the angle A. So what it is? So let's write B and C. It is the perpendicular, right? Now what is the hypotenuse here? Hypotenuse is nothing but CA. BC upon CA. Well, easy? Yes. Now cos theta. What is the formula of the cos theta? Now let's take the next one, B upon H. Here B upon H is nothing but base upon hypotenuse. What is the base here? Base is nothing but the adjacent side. Here base is nothing but AB. AB upon H is nothing but CA. Well, that's so simple, right? Isn't it? Now let's go for tan theta. Here tan theta formula is P upon B. P upon B is nothing but perpendicular upon base. Here perpendicular is side opposite to the angle A, nothing but BC upon, what is the base here? It's nothing but AB. Well, that's so simple. Now for cot theta, what you have to do? You have to just reverse this. Reverse. B upon P. B upon P. Your base is AB and perpendicular is nothing but BC. Next sec theta. It's nothing but you have to just reverse H upon B. H upon B. So now it is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is here CA upon, what is the base here? B. Right. Cosec theta. Here nothing but you just reverse H upon P. Here hypotenuse is CA upon perpendicular, nothing but BC. Well, that's so simple, right? I hope you have understood this basic formula easily. But what you have to do here is just you have to remember this short trick to remember the formulas easily. Okay? Now here as you can see, I have drawn the hexagon. What do you mean by hexagon? Nothing but it is the shape of the 6 sides. So let me draw 6 sides here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Now let me give the name here: sin theta, cos theta, cot theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and tan theta. Now the formula, what you have to remember is, you have to just do the clockwise. Okay, let us start with the tan theta. Here tan theta is nothing but you have to start with the clockwise. Here the next two numbers, next two thetas you have to take. Suppose, what is after tan theta here? Sin by cos. So sin theta by cos theta. Right? Next, after sin theta, what is the next two? Cos by cot theta. Very good. Now after cos, here is cot theta by cosec theta. After cot theta, you can write cosecant theta upon sec theta. Next, cosec theta, you have to write sec theta by tan theta. Then after sec theta, you can write tan theta upon sin theta. The best way to remember is, all the three C's will be on the right side. Okay, so no need to worry, you can remember this easily. These three C's should be at your right hand side. Okay, cos, cot and cosec. So well, here is the formula for you. Now if we want proof that is it right or not, so what you have to do is, now let me prove this. So suppose I have taken here sin theta. Here sin theta formula is cos theta by cot theta. But here sin theta, already we have known that the formula is P by H. Right? So now let me prove P by H. So cos theta is B by H, base upon hypotenuse, by cot theta formula is B upon P, nothing but base upon perpendicular. So now as you know the rule that B and B will be cancelled. Now if we go, so this P will be going up and the hypotenuse will be down. So P upon H, as you can see here, sin theta P by H we have got. Right? So that was the proof I have done. Hence I have proved here. Now this is easy way to remember the formulas of the trigonometry. So if you want more, so please do comment, share, like and subscribe my channel. And stay tuned for more updates. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.